Hello guys, my name is Kunal and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will see some of operation which we can perform on the LST list data type, and there are some other operations also which we can perform, which I will not cover in this particular video, but I will show you the resource from which you can refer those operations. So just let's get started. Now I will share my screen. Yeah, so this is the list I have created. Okay, now first operation we will see an append operation. If you want to extend, if you want to increase this particular list, or if you want to you can say uh, if you want to append the some record to this particular list, so how we will do that. So just uh, lst dot append method. There is a append method in the list class, so you can call that particular method append, and you can append whatever you want. So here I will give Kishore. LST is not defined, L is capital. Okay, so if you print again LST, here you can say that Kishore is appended at the end. There is a one another operation is extend. So now in append, if you want to append the list, complete list, new list you want to append. If I create new list, and here I have given uh, some items, and then now you want to append this particular list, so you can append this particular list as well. Okay, so append new list, not this L is capital. And now if you want to print the list, here you can say the newly created list is appended at the end of the list. Now you want to extend the list, so there is one operation, another you can say operation extend. So what is the difference between extend and append? You might have question. Now this is also extend operation which we have. Now here you can see when we append the new list, it is appended as it is, means it is appended as in a format of list when we use append. But if we use extend, this particular list will append as a new, it will append as a this list only, means it will not create new list, only these items will be added in these particular list. So I will create another new list, new list one. Okay, new list one, and here I will pass 34 and 56. Okay, now I will just call lst dot extend. Okay, and then I will pass this new lst1. Again I just okay. Now if I try to print the lst, here you can see that 34 and 56 printed as a another it is added as a another items of this particular list. So because of that, extend has more time complexity than append method, because this extend method is iterated over each other item, then at the end it will add the another uh, another list. But so that's why this particular extend will take more time than append. Then another operation here you can say as a pop. If you want to delete some element in that particular list, and that particular element or item you want, then you will use pop method. So what this particular pop method will do, I will demonstrate to you. Pop So if you want to pop the second, so 2, so what is the index of 2 here is 1, then you have to give that you can see the index of that particular element which you want to delete. Okay, so I will give 1. Okay, and that pop element, this pop will return that particular you can say item. So that will I will collect in temp. Okay, and then just indentation. Okay, again okay. Then I will print temp. Here you can see that 2 which we have popped, that particular element is stored in temp variable. Now if you print the lst list again, here you can see the 2 is deleted. So pop will return the element for which you index pass. So if you pass the index 3 over here, then it will be written 5, and 5 will be deleted from this particular list. Now there is another method, insert. Insert method will you can say that it will insert the item in that particular list. And insert if you want to insert at first position, okay, append method will you can say insert the atom at the end, but you want to insert the atom at some particular location, then you will use insert method. So how will you use lst dot insert. Now you want to insert at second position, so you will give second, and then whatever you want. Now 4 you want to insert, so you can use 4. Now no, not 4, I will okay, see. Now if you print the lst or list, here you can see 4 new item is added. So if you want to add the add atom at the end, sorry, at the start, now how you will you do that? Lst insert, here you want to give the index where you want to insert, and here you give the number which you want to insert. So 10. Now I will print lst again. So here you can see number is added at the beginning. Now there is another method, or these are the method. Now there are the some methods which you can call upon the list, like sum and count and length. There is a length method which will give you the length of the list. So length lst, here you can see right now length is 11. So length of this particular list is 11, means 11 atoms are 11 items are there in this particular list. Now there is another method, sum method, which will give you the sum of this all the element. So I will call the sum method, and the parameter you passed as a list. So it will return the list. Okay, so here there are some like string values are placed in the list, so that's why this sum method will not work. So I will take some another list. So I will create new list 2, and here I will pass some list which is integer only. Okay, and here I will pass the new list. So here you can see you can get the sum of the element of those of that particular list. So in that way we can use these methods, and I will show one resource to you. So this is the resource W3 schools, from where you can refer all the you can say all the methods. There is another method, count, which is also important. Actually, I will show you. If you want now here if you want count of 4, how much count of how much how many number of times this 4 is available in this particular list. So how will you get that? So you need to use count method. So count, then you will pass 4 over here, lst dot count 4. So here it will get written as a 3. Here you can see 1 2 3. So 3 times 4 is present in this particular list, so that number is written by the count. So, and there are some other you can see other methods also: remove, reverse, sort. These are the methods. You can go in this particular resource. This is W3 schools W3 schools website. I will give the link of this in description section of this particular video. You can refer from there. So yeah, so that's it from my side for this particular video. Please subscribe my channel and share this particular channel with your friends and colleagues who will need this type of help. And please hit that like button. Thank you.